Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the PhD admission notification from Tezpur University, Assam. In this video we are going to discuss all the aspect of this notification. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding the different PhD admissions in different universities in India and abroad. And please share this video in your WhatsApp group so that your friends and colleagues will be benefited from this video. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are into the official website of this Tezpur University. There you can see the news and updates. We'll check these two news and updates. Admission notification for the academic year 2021 and 2022. It has just come out in 6th July. So let us click on this. So here is the notification. Though the notification is for the BTech master's degree, that is MTech and PhD program, so we'll only concentrate on in this video for the PhD admission. So as you can see, the departments, that is the department under the School of Sciences, that is Chemical Science, Environmental Science, Molecular Biology, Biotechnology, Mathematical Science and Physics, that is basically the science background. And the Department of School under Engineering, that is Computer Science, Civil, Electronics and Communication, Electrical, Food Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Applied Sciences. So these are the engineering backgrounds. And like that, Management Science, that is Business Administration and Commerce. Department under the School of Humanities and Social Science. So these are the basically four types of departments under which the PhD program will be offered. So what is the detailed notification? Let us see. So candidates will be selected by the concerned department for the admission into the PhD program based on the academic performance, that is from the marks from 10th onwards, statement of purpose, that is SOP, as you all know, and online questions, along with that the personal interview. However, the candidates with UGC NET, that is JRF, CSIR, so all these qualified candidates can directly appear for the personal round interview, right? So candidates who have completed the pre-final examination and received the mark sheet will be eligible for MTech and PhD programs. So they will be required to upload their mark sheet and all examinations on that is from class 10 onwards. So the details are given, you can check. So some relaxations are given. Alright, so there will be an application fee for this program, that is 800 per candidate, that is for general category, and 400 for the SC/ST, that is for reserve category. So what will be the last date? So display of the online applications, it is from 6th June, and the last date of submission online application will be on 8th July, that is 10th July 2021. So what will be the eligibility criteria? Let us see for the PhD admission. Here you can check the different departments under which the eligibility criteria. I'll put this link in the description so that you can go through it for the details information. So under which, so you can check the different eligibility criteria for engineering disciplines, commerce, computer science, they all are different, so you can see. Okay, so there is another thing, it is for the prospectus. Okay, let us see this one also. So here is the prospectus of this Tezpur University. We will directly go to the PhD section. and we'll see what are the information available on this. So this is a huge prospectus, you can check. This prospectus is for all the departments, that is for admission into the BTech, MTech, along with that for the PhD. So we'll check what are the financial help from the government. Let us see. So Tezpur University can avail various scholarships offered by government organizations and agencies, such as the Institutional Fellowship for the meritorious PhD students, AICT Doctoral Fellowship, UGC Research Fellowship. Okay, so all these fellowship is available for the PhD students. Students are invited on the basis of GATE score for the MTech courses. So this is for the MTech. So there is nothing information available for the PhD. Okay, so let us see what are the other information available for the PhD. So there you can see the PhD programs and the department centers. We have already discussed regarding this. So let us see one of the fee structure. So there will be a course fee structure for the PhD admissions. Here is the fee structure. So it is just below this information, this one. Alright, so there will be an admission fee for the hostel and full-time hostel and part-time. Alright, so per semester you can check the tuition fee, the medical transportation, laboratory fee, registration fee, and some other fees are there, and also some cushion money if you are staying in the hostel, and there will be one refundable cushion fee, so that will be refunded. So the total fee to be paid by the students of the other departments at the time of the admission, it is 23,843 rupees for the full-time hostler, and for the full-time non-hostler, if you are not staying in the hostel, it is 16,000. And there you can check for the part-time and the TU employees, that is for Tezpur University employees. Okay, so there are some exemptions for the reserve category, you can check. And the students, consumable charges to be paid for the PhD by the PhD students admitted in the Department of Chemical Science, MBPT, and FET, Environmental Sciences. So students above 30 years of age are not covered in this scheme. So you can check the details from the official website, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can directly contact to the official person, so that they can guide you regarding this admission process and their fees. So there are some of the important numbers and email IDs are given, you can check at the end of the prospectus. So here are some of the beautiful pictures of this campus. You can visit once before taking the admission, but now due to the COVID situation they may not allow you, so you can go through the online process and applications and check the details. So how to apply, let us see. So this is all about for this Tezpur University PhD program, and this is the admission process I just told you. So you need to visit this link so that you will get the admission link for the application. Okay, alright, so this is all about this Tezpur University PhD admission notification. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please press the like button. It encourages us, and also share this video in your WhatsApp group and other social media handles, and please join our Telegram channel, link is the description, and other social media handles of University Study Guides. You will get all the latest notifications in different PhD and other admissions in India and abroad. And also do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you like to inquire about something, so please email us. The email is in the description. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.